Hey guys, I'm about to give you the real game. I'm gonna give it to you straightforward, no complications, straight to the point. To become wealthy is called group economics. The only way to become super wealthy super fast is by group economics. I heard Andrew Tate say something very powerful and I agree with him. When you could find 20 plus people who you could trust and you put your income together, trust and believe me, you could do anything. You could buy real estate, you could make investments, you could buy shares, you could do so many different things, because when you put your money collectively together and many people go after the same goals, it makes it easier for your money to grow if you truly understand how compounding interest work. Compounding interest on a large amount of money can make the returns bigger, but you gotta find people you could trust and build with, and that's the secret to becoming super wealthy super fast. So if you don't have a lot of money to buy a lot of shares, find a lot of people who you could put together and get a lot of money to buy more shares together, and together you can get farther. That's why they say teamwork make the dream work, because together everyone achieve more, but alone we all may perish and fall apart. That's why group economics is the way to win. So if you want to learn more about group economics, I'm hosting a meeting this Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time and Wednesday at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. on Wednesdays. So like I said, guys, I want to show you the group, and I'm looking for really 20 serious people who we could do group economics with and really do something big and definitely go out there and help families together. So group economics is the secret to becoming wealthy fast. Together, everyone can achieve more. Let's keep winning.